comment. I believe it was on Facebook, possibly. I'm not sure which social it was, but somebody commented that they thought I was using a lot of paint on my paintbrush, like applying a lot of paint. You do what you're comfortable doing. Now, I've been painting furniture for so many years now. I can actually load up the brush pretty good and spread that paint quickly. That comes with experience, and if you're just starting out, or if you have a different method of painting your furniture, maybe you like using very little paint on your paintbrush and working in smaller sections, do whatever works for you and what you feel comfortable doing. You do not want a ton of paint on your furniture. For instance, you don't want it dripping. You want a nice, even distribution of paint. But how you get there is totally up to you. So I just wanted to mention, when you're painting, do it your way. Do it how you are comfortable to get the optimal results for your furniture.